Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're shopping for the spring 2026 fashion trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. We're shopping for the first trend. That's going to be baby blue. This is a sneak peek dress from Free Assembly. Has that wrap style front with the ruffle, puff sleeve elastic with the drawstring, tiers through the front. Then also in the back, another trend I might do today is the ruffles, and these will be linked down below. Also in the light blue are these peplum tops from Free Assembly. So they have the high neckline pleating, the same fit through the back with the little keyhole. Also comes in this spearmint color, and they're $26. New mules from Time and True. These have the round toe, the grommets, that little cutout detail, and these are $22.98. Also, new color in this dress. I also shared this one in the Free Assembly video, but they only had this print online, which we didn't see. We saw the plaid. So they have the thicker straps with the square neckline, the belt, and then it's flowy. The back has the smocking. So hopefully they added the plaid, but this is the only print they have online. And the dresses are $36. But how pretty is that? Also in the light blue are these button down tops from Time and True. So they have the scallop trim, full button, puff sleeve, same fit through the back. We also saw this in that pink color, and they are $17.98. This is from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that V neckline, tie detail, the drop tier, and then squared in the back. In this stripe also comes in the blue floral, and they're $16.98. Is this blouse from Time and True? It has this scoop neckline, this embroidered kind of detailing with the puff sleeve. Also has the gathered wrist, relaxed poplin fit. I love this one. So they even have the little back detail. New Mary Janes from Free Assembly. These have the round toe, the little buckle detail, that woven in the light yellow color, and these are $34. And they also come in the light blue with the silver hardware. Next trend we're shopping for is lace and sheer. These are a sneak peek dress from No Boundaries. Well, we actually saw it in the blue before, but this has that lace trim, also has the embroidering. That's what the material looks like up close with the drop tier. It's another big trend, like the mermaid cuts. And then it's squared in the back. We also saw it in the blue, and they're $20.98. So new floral dresses from No Boundaries. They have the plunging V flutter sleeve, longer length. I showed this one in the last haul, with the smocking and tie in the back, in the blue, also in the white and purple, and they're $19.98. So I have some new denim shorts from No Boundaries. So these have the lace top. They're pretty short, button with the zip, the little slit on the side, pockets on the back in the light blue. They also have that mid-tone. Those say mid-rise, these say mid-rise. They're $14.98. Peak eyelet tops from Time and True. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, the scallop trim with the keyhole in the back. In the navy, also comes in white, and they're $24.98. The new Time and True cover up. So these are that same lace detail. Nice longer line. They did so many outfits with these last year. So now they have brown. That's a new color. The pink this year is more of like a baby pink. I think it was darker before. They have a light blue, navy, which they always had, and then this ivory, and they're $24.98. Floral dresses from No Boundaries. So they have the thin strap, the plunging V, this tie detail, chiffon material, longer length, and then the smocking in the back. In the pink with the red, also the yellow with the pink, and these are $19.98. Next basics we're shopping for are midi length dresses. These are from Celebrity Pink. They have that sweetheart neckline, elastic, this lace detailing, the drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. Also comes in the white, and they are going to be, I think they're $20.50. So new crochet skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline. It is lined on the inside, Has that same scoop through the back. Skirt is pull-on, longer length, lined up into the knee portion. In the blue, also in the black, and the two pieces are $24.98. Flats from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, the little bow mesh with the velvet in the black with the net in the beige mesh, and then also this red with the hearts, and they're $24.98. Then they also have this new style round toe that lace up, and those are $36. Next trend we're shopping for are ruffles. These are from No Boundaries. They have the scoop neckline, that ruffle trim, side seam detail. Also comes with the skirt, and that is lined, and it also has the shorts built in the blue, the baby blue, and then also the pink, and the two pieces are $19.98. New color in the ruffle neck top from Time and Tru. So we saw this white option, now they have it in the blue. Henley buttons ruffling around the neckline, button on the wrist. I did show this one in my last haul. Same fit through the back, and they're $19.98. Also new flutter sleeve dresses from Time and Tru. So this one has that tie detail, the flutter sleeve, tiers all the way down, same fit through the back. So we saw this one, now it also comes in this navy and camel scroll, and they are going to be $19.98. And some new colors in this little shoulder detail. So we saw this one in the Time and Tru video, but it has a little bit of a boat neckline, that little ruffle detail. Good length now in the burgundy. We also saw it in the white and navy stripe. Also comes in that navy white, and I think the other color was black, and they are $12.98. New smock top from Free Assembly. It has the thin straps, the smocking with the peplum, adjustable straps, and they'll be linked down below. So new eyelet dresses from Time and Tru. These have that little ruffle trim, the keyhole flutter sleeve, shorter fit through the front and the back in the white, and they're $24.98. One piece from No Boundaries. This one has the thin strap, the underwire comes up high on the leg. That's what the material looks like up close, and these are $22.98. How pretty is this new top from Free Assembly? It has the little tie, elastic, that scallop trim, eyelet through the whole front, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $26. So smock dresses from Time and Tru. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, fit and flare out in the navy floral. Also comes in this blue stripe. There's a black and beige kind of animal print, and they're $24.98. Next one we're shopping for button-up jackets and cardigans. These are from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, gold buttons, the two flat pockets, boxy fit through the front and the back. I shared this in the Free Assembly video, but if you missed that one, this jacket is new. It has the high neckline, the tortoise buttons, that eyelet trim, two front pockets, seam fit through the back with that seam detailing. They also had both pieces, the jacket and these jeans, in a denim wash online. So they have the same tortoise buttons pocket with that scallop trim, and then the same fit through the back. Jacket is $37.98. So new quilted jacket from Time and Tru. So this has the gold buttons, the quilting, two front pockets, relaxed through the wrist. They do have some other colors online, and these are $29.98. New jackets from Free Assembly. So these have a mock neck when it's buttoned up all the way, the little drawstring at the waist with the peplum, oversized tortoise buttons, the side pocket. On the wrist it does have that button detail. In the navy, also comes in the khaki, and they're $42. That higher neckline, the two pockets up at the top, two down below. Also that button detail on the wrist. Same fit through the back with that seam detailing, and these are $32. And then I also shared these two in the Free Assembly video. So this one has the braided trim. How pretty are the little rose buttons, two pockets, relaxed through the wrist, that same fit through the back. We saw the white. Also comes in navy, they're $42. So new is this cardigan. So it has that high neckline, ribbed wrist, the gold buttons, that same fit through the back in the pink, also in the navy, and they are going to be $28. Also new little cardigan from Free Assembly, has the scallop collar, full button, the puff sleeve, pointel with the ribbed bottom, and then the same fit through the back. And that one is going to be cardigan from Time and True. This one has that crew neckline, the gold buttons, the textured material with the scallop trim wrist. Also has that scallop trim bottom, and then the same fit through the back. In this orangey red, it's like a tomato red, and they'll be linked down below. Next trend we're shopping for is head to toe denim. These are from Free Assembly. They have the smaller collar, full button, fit and flare with that embroidered detailing relaxed through the sleeve, and then that same fit through the back. And these are $34. So new denim jacket from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the mid-size collar, buttons, the 2 front pockets, drop sleeve, button on the wrist, that boxy fit with the side pocket, and then the seam detailing with the gathering in the back, and they're $36.50. New denim shirt from Gloria Vanderbilt. This one has a smaller collar, full button, 2 flap tortoise pockets, button detail on the wrist, scoops in the middle with the seam detail in the back, and they are $34.98. So new denim shirt from Scoop. So this has a smaller collar, full button, they are hidden, the puff sleeved 3/4 seam detail to thicker denim, and then the seam fit through the back, and these are $36. Go with the barrel leg jeans. They have these zip up jackets. So these have the smaller collar, side seam, the little button on the wrist, elastic with the tie, zip front, and then the side seaming in the back, and they are $36. Denim jacket from Free Assembly. This has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets with the button on the wrist, the seam detail in the back, and they're $32. Big dresses from Free Assembly. It has that high neckline, sleeveless, that seam detail, fit and flare with side pockets, and then the zipper in the back. These are going to be linked down below. Also new denim dress from Time and True. So this has the split V Henley buttons, that shoulder detail, gathering on the wrist, relaxed fit with the scoop, and then it has the same fit through the back with that seam detailing, and they're $22.98. Also new denim shirt from Time and True. So this has the V, has the gathering, button on the wrist, that scoop in the middle, and then the seam detail in the back, and these are $22.98. Also new denim vest from Lay. These have that V neckline, smaller buttons. It's what the material looks like up close. Seam detail in the back, and the dark wash also comes in white, and they're $24.98. Also shopping for stripes. These are from Free Assembly. They have that oversized tie, side seam, elastic on the wrist. I just showed this in my last haul in that green color, and they're $24. New vest set from No Boundaries. So this one has a thicker strap, V neckline, mid-size buttons, open knit material, same fit through the back. Pants are pull on, they're wide leg, and then that same fit through the back with the drawstring. Also has lining like shorts. You could see where it stops, and the 2 pieces are $19.98. Also new are these short sleeve pointel tops from Time and True. So this one has the scallop trim, it's short sleeve with the ribbing, that ribbed bottom, relaxed fit in the brown and ivory, also the navy and ivory, and they're $14.98. So scoop tee from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, cap sleeve, really nice length with the seam through the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid white, and they're $10. New flutter sleeve dresses from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, flutter sleeve, super soft and stretchy, relaxed fit in the navy, also comes in the pink. It's the same fit through the back. Also new cardigans from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, smaller buttons, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the green and pink. Also have new colors in the peplum tee from Time and True. So this has that high neckline, sleeveless, the little smocking, same fit through the back, and now the pink and white. I showed this one in the solid white. They also have it in this white and navy stripe and the solid navy, and they're $9.98. So I have these new tank dresses from Time and True. They have that higher neckline. It's a longer length with that seam detailing in the back. It's that stretchy swing style material in the solid black, also in the navy and white stripe. They have the beige and the coral, and they're $11.98. New crew neck tees from Time and True. So these are soft, stretchy material, relaxed fit. It's kind of like a boxy look in the stripe. Also the burgundy stripe, and they're $12.98. I have a new dress from Free Assembly. This one wasn't online when I shared it in the Free Assembly video, so hopefully it popped up, but it has the smaller collar, full button, fit and flare, seam fit through the back, and they're $28. It also comes in that green. And then we're also shopping for sporty styles. These are from Avia. They have that scoop neckline, fit and flare out with the built-in shelf bra, and then the racer back. Comes in the red with the white, also the green and black, and they're $26. Also new scuba jackets from Avia. So these have that mock neck, the side seam elastic on the wrist, also has the elastic bottom, seam fit through the back in the navy with the white pipe detailing, also the black and white, the green and the gray, and the jackets are $25. Actually, I have these pull-on shorts. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, the little dolphin hem, that same soft material, so it looks like on the inside with the side pockets, in all of the same colors, and they are going to be $17. We also have a polo with the matching skirt from Reebok. So this one has the smaller collar, V neckline, that embroidered little Reebok relaxed fit in the blue. There's also black, and they are $24. Shorts to match have the elastic waistband with the logo, pleating with the bike shorts built in the blue, also in that black with the white trim, and those are $24. These pleated skirts match back, so they have that banded waist with the built-in shorts in the white and the black. Because I looked everywhere for, oh, they had the red shirt that matched back to these, but I think they don't have a polo that matches back to that, and they're $15. Brought back the rompers from Avia in some really good colors. So they have the scoop neckline, banded waist, flowy skirt. I picked this one up in the red last year. I still have it. That same crisscross back. I think by the time I shared it, they were completely sold out, so don't wait on these. By the time spring rolls around, everything is gone. So they have black, green, the blue, purple, and pink, and they're $25. In that sporty style, we have these ballet flats from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, this little lace-up detail, completely flat, and they're $24.98. Sneakers from Madness. These have the round toe, gummy bottom, lace-up, and they're $38. And they also have this new style, round toe, that lace-up, and those are $36. And I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.